ordered another Cetme parts kit from Centerfire Systems. Only $150. Unbelievable deal. Look at that checklist. So this one is way nicer than the previous one that I ordered without a bayonet. So the previous one was $125. This one's $150. So, and the bayonet looks unissued, mint. Look at that, mint. Let's look at the kit. I mean, the kit looks unissued also. It came with the cleaning kit inside. I took it out to show you the contents. It looks like a bare minimum, I mean, really inferior rifle cleaning kit. There's oil inside, the oil packets is inside. I still didn't take that out. But the bluing is there, the handguard is perfect. There's some patina on the steel. I think that's from storage because they didn't lubricate it. FA stuff. The 3 pins, the rear sight. Let's look at the bolt. Let's look at the stock. The other side. This wears out all the time. That one is nice. Let's look at the other side of the... Look at that. Beautiful. The good thing is both of these came wrapped in this paper to protect it against banging against other parts when they're in shipping. In this plastic bag. So that's pretty good from Centerfire Systems. Bayonet looks unissued. I like the fact that it has a serial number. And then when you're building, or when I'm building, I can serialize the receiver with the same number as the bayonet, so I got the matching bayonet to the rifle. What a great deal. All of this for $150, and shipping was like $12. Plus I owed a bunch of other parts that I needed anyways, and no tax. I mean, these never got better, and these never got cheaper than now. Now is the time to buy them. Let's check out the condition of the bore. Look at that mirror. Didn't even clean it. That's all for this video. I made the video of my first kit that I got from them. So I'm gonna link it on the end of this video. You can click on that, and on that one I'm showing how to bend the flat, how to bend this part to make a rifle out of it. So that's it for this video. Like and subscribe. They had these Cetme Slings on sale, $1 each. So I bought like 5 of them. Maybe one of them is gonna be like okay, but no, all of them are trash. They all got the torn leather end of it, and you also need the buckle. But luckily I got one buckle on these. See this buckle, you need that. So you need specific Cetme sling. You can't just put any sling, because the way it attaches on the back of the stock, it's like a Mauser attachment. And then look at this. That's ugly, man. Might as well use this buckle from this hook from G3, German one. You can put in here. Now, yeah, man, you got to buy a good sling for this. You can't just buy any. They list these as a B grade, but they're just destroyed grade. It's supposed to be destroyed grade. Look at this. This one is okay, but the leather is so old, it's gonna snap at any moment. Cetme sling.